When everything is precious, nothing really is. And this is a really interesting concept because a lot of us have stuff that either doesn't fit us, or we're going to grow into it, or we're going to shrink into it, or maybe we never liked it in the first place, or maybe it was a gift from someone else. And so if we can give ourselves permission, like, I don't really connect with this and it's not your favorite, then get rid of it. Because then what happens is when you walk into your closet, all you have is your favorite stuff. And if you walk into your bathroom and all you have is your favorite stuff, you're not rifling through old lipsticks and old makeup and stuff that you don't use that didn't work out for you. You got rid of everything except your favorites. Now, when you open that drawer and you're getting ready for the day, you only have your favorite hair care items, your favorite lotions or potions or powders or pills or whatever it is that you use. You have your favorite of everything. So everything that you touch in your home is just like, yes, yes, this is mine. And it makes you feel fantastic because these are the things that bring you joy, right? So if there are things that are bringing you joy that you're not using, use it or lose it. Even if it's your favorite item and you're not using it, you still have to lose it, right? So I want you to start using it. I don't want you to get rid of stuff that you love. I want you to use it. I really do. If you walk away from one thing from today's time, I want you to use and enjoy the stuff that you have. I have a friend, her husband bought a Mercedes, and it's a really, really nice car, but he never drives it. He's saving it for special occasions. And when the family rides in it, they got to like buff their fingerprints off the door and stuff. And it sits hidden in his garage. And it's like this beautiful masterpiece. For what? The garage door's closed. Nobody sees it. When you guys go out and you go driving, you're going to get out and buff your fingerprints off the door, and you're only going to drive it on special occasions. And now, oddly enough, the car is several years old. It's like 8 or 10 years old. So while it was once a very beautiful, special car, I mean, the value has diminished quite a bit just because it's older. And so why not just enjoy it and drive it and take your family like they're going on a limo ride, you know? Make the moments that we have count. So that is my focus for today, because it's sad when we hang on to stuff that even if it gives us joy, we never use it. So keep the stuff that's your favorite, but then also use it.